Our thrust on the talent development has been one of the key factors which is helping us to be among the best employers. Very recently, you would have seen that we have been constantly figuring into great place of work. We focus on the competency development of not only our employees, but also the outsourced jobs where the workers are also getting training, and put in place a 3-layer structure, that is at the working level, at the workplace, regional level and organization level for fulfilling the training needs of each and everyone who works with NTPC. We have also developed multiple virtual reality-based training modules to exploit the power of cognitive technologies to give our employees and the workers an immersive training experience. We impart training to our employees based on the training need analysis. With the future skills, NTPC was able to provide access to online certification courses on emerging technologies like AI and related that kind of training like machine learning, AI, cloud computing, Internet of Things, big data analysis, and professional skills like continuous learning, innovation and design thinking, etc. Since the platform has been provided to all employees, any employee is free to learn the course as per their own interests at his or her own time, place and pace. As informed to me, the design of the certification course on the Future Skills Prime platform has concepts like pathways and journeys, foundation courses, job category articles, industry content, smart cards, etc. The pathways and journeys gives the participants an introduction to the concept of emerging technologies and its usage in the practical world. Those participants who find the pathways and journeys appealing can then deep dive into the technology by enrolling into future courses. Definitely, yes. We as a country needs to develop bench strength of employees who are familiar with the concepts of the emerging technologies and the capability to apply these technologies to the practical problems faced in the industry. We are hoping that some of our employees will upskill themselves on the emerging technologies using the Future Skill platform and utilize the knowledge and skill gained to resolve the practical problems they are facing. Accordingly, I would recommend other organizations also to use this platform extensively. Thank you.